Hey everyone, welcome back to Rayyan. In today's video, we are tackling LeetCode 495 Temu attacking. Have you ever tried to calculate how long a poison effect lasts in a game? Well, that's exactly what we'll do today, using smart logic and simple code to solve this fun and practical problem. Perfect for beginners and great warm up for your next coding interview. So, if you are ready to level up your programming skills, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and let's jump right into the code. So, let's go. So, guys, in today's video, we are solving a 495 question by the name of Temu attacking. So, what is the Temu attacking? What is the meaning of it? And how to solve this question? Let me explain you one by one in today's video. So, let's start. Now, first of all, you understand the question with an examples, and I give some names also in this question. So let's start. Our hero is Timo. Our hero Timo is attacking an enemy Assi with poison attacks. When Timo attacks Assi gets poisoned for exactly duration seconds. More formally, an attack at second t will mean Assi is poisoned during the inclusive time interval. Square bracket t means t comma t plus duration minus 1. If Timur attacks again before the poison effect ends, the timer for it is reset, and the poison effect will be end duration seconds after the new attack. Please highlight some words. These are some important words which will be highlighted. Okay. Now what had been opened? Now do like this, and then okay, let me do this in the black color. Perfect. Now it is giving me a non-decreasing integer array. It has been giving me the non-decreasing integer array time series by the name of time series, where the time series denotes that Timu attacks Assi at second time series and an integer duration. Now, our task is we want to return the total number of seconds that Assi is poisoned. Total. Please highlight the total also. We want to return a total number. What? We want to return the total number. Okay, sorry. We want to return the total number of seconds that Assi is poisoned. Total. Now, let's give example 1. If you see the example 1, here he created an integer array by the name of time series in which he wrote down 1, 4, and here he created one more integer array by the name of duration in which he wrote down 2. And the output has been coming 4. If I explain you, Timu's attack on Assi go as follows. First, at second 1, Timu attacks and Assi is poisoned for seconds 1 and 2. At second 4, Timu attacks and Assi is poisoned for seconds 4 and 5. Assi is poisoned for seconds 1, 2, 4 and 5, which is 4 seconds in a total. Let's see our case 2. In the case when our output will become 4, let's see our case 2. Here he given time series integer array in which he written down 1, 2 and duration integer array in which he written down 2. The output is becoming 3 because if I explain you, Timu's attacks on Assi go as follows. First, at the second one, Timu attacks and Assi is poisoned for seconds 1 and 2. Number 2. At a second 2, however, Timu attacks again and resets the poison timer as he is poisoned for seconds 2 and 3. Then, as is poisoned for seconds 1 and 2 and 3, which is 3 seconds in total. So that's why our output is becoming 3. So in our case 1, our output will become 4. In our case 2, our output will become 3. And these are the concepts which we use to solve this question. Now let's try to solve this question. Now we are solving this easy one question. So let's start and let's see the topic question about. Array and simulation, and 3,18,000 people have submitted this and only 1,80,000 and accepted. So now anyways, let's try to solve it, and we are solving in the Python 3. Like all the people know, whenever we start to solve any question, so we will solve in the Python 3. Okay, and now we define a class of a solution because this is a rule of a LeetCode camp. Whenever we start to solve any question, so you will must define a class of a solution. Poisoned, duration, self, time series list int and then comma duration int minus greater than int then semicolon then enter. If statement not, here we write time series enter return 0. Back. Now here I found length n, so here I found the length of our time series. Then here I write pause then time equals to 0, enter. Now when I do this, enter. Now here define a for loop I in range n minus 1 semicolon then enter. Perfect. Now when we do this all the things, so here I define a one comment, calculate the duration of the poison effect. Perfect. Now here I calculate the duration of the poison effect. Duration of effect equals to min duration comma time series I plus 1 minus time series, one more time here we wrote it down, and then I. Now enter press. Now here I define a person, and you are thinking why I am defining person many times, because the topic is about person. Time plus equals to duration of effect. Back. Now when here I define now one comment, add the duration of the last poison effect. Now here I define poison time plus equals to duration. Enter, enter. Now here I return our output, return poison time. Back. Now when we back, so now let's run this. So now when I run this code, so I hope it not give me any error. So now it has been accepted. Our case 1, our expected output is 4 and my also output has been coming 4. In the case 2, the expected output is 3 and my also output has been coming 3. Very easily. So let's see the submission code. So now the running code has been perfect, so the submission code also be perfect. So the submission code is also be perfect. We beat we solve in the 20 milliseconds and I beat 39.54% people. And let's share this solution. I am sharing this solution. So easy solution in Python 3 100% if now I am writing here subscribe Darwin. Now post. Now I posted solution. So if you want to visit my profile, so my profile name is Rayyan, so you can also go and view or visit my profile write Rayyan, so my profile will become, and then you will be viewing my profile. This is my profile, you can see it, and Rayyan, and this is my profile. Now if you want to see my profile, so now here you can see in today's video we solve our question number 495 by the name of Temu attacking. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you know some of these videos on this channel. So anyways, let's meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that our videos. So for today, goodbye.